Okay, I'll just walk back. The Starship just go so fast.
In a boat.
Over there. Oh man, it's still there.
Yeah, I'm going fishing tonight. I'm just setting this up for tonight.
The fish took the hook off. Everything there looks pretty bright.